Hi guys! Seriously, I'm really thrilled to share this extraordinary moment with you as I touch down to Africa for the first time from India. Arriving in Cairo, the capital of Egypt, at sunrise was truly magical. Cairo instantly charmed me with its rich history and the cityscape. Me and my friend Anjali heading towards the hotel we have booked, Oileen at Cairo. Hi guys, good morning. We are now at Oileen Hotel at downtown Cairo. I'll show you around and the aesthetics are so beautiful. Let's go.
I saw him, but it doesn't compare. And I sure dreamed that it was you, not in there.
This day, affectionately Day Zero, was all about taking a moment to relax and savor the anticipation of future adventures ahead.
Behind me. Why does this time of night feel so unearthly?
The room was quite cozy, bit on compact side, but beauty truly overweighs the space in this setting, so we enjoyed.
But yeah, so we ain't gotta tell your girl now. You can meet me on our way out. Ooh, we're making plans for the future. Better let her know that she don't suit ya. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking